Would you like to publicly invite tenders for a procurement project? Then stay with us and we'll show you how using a 2-minute example. Sandra works at the City Civil Engineering Office and has been tasked with procuring 3 new snow clearing vehicles. To get started, Sandra creates a new procurement project. In the input form, she enters the basic information for the upcoming procurement. By clicking on the button Create Invitation to Tender, Sandra opens a new procurement project with a unique identification number. In addition to the number, the type of publication, type of procedure and type of contract are shown. In addition to German, Sandra would also like to submit her invitation to tender in French. This is how she translates the publication. The system indicates which fields must be manually translated. All translated fields are marked with a tick. Now it's time to enter the project details. The process steps on the side help Sandra maintain an overview. In the Project Information step, she enters details such as the addresses of the requesting unit and the procurement office. By clicking on the Next Step button, her entries are automatically saved. Any necessary changes can still be made later. In the Dates step, Sandra can enter the requested publication date and other dates too, such as for rounds of questions. Next, she enters the information on the procurement item. The main CPV code can be found using simple keywords. In the description of contract, Sandra describes the subject and scope of the contract. In steps 4 and 5, Sandra determines the necessary criteria and conditions. Now it's time to validate the information. Missing or incorrect information is automatically marked by the system. On the Project Details page, Sandra checks the key information again before submitting her invitation to tender. Severin, a mechanical engineer, specialises in the production of snow clearing vehicles. To sell his vehicles, he checks the public invitations to tender on simap.ch. Severin is in luck. The invitation to tender from the City Civil Engineering Office is a perfect match for his offering. He joins the race for a new client. That's all. As you see, it's very easy. Create a public invitation to tender for your contract too on simap.ch.